After a few years, Apple has finally updated its base model AirPods, introducing two new versions. One with Active Noise Cancellation, ANC, and one without. This marks a significant shift, as ANC was previously a feature exclusive to the AirPods Pro. With this update, the new AirPods are now closer to competition with the Pro lineup. However, it's worth noting that ANC remains a premium feature, with only the higher-end models offering it. The standard AirPods 4 serve as a direct successor to the second-generation AirPods, bringing a refreshed design along with some noteworthy improvements. Let's break down the key differences between the AirPods 4 and the AirPods Pro 2nd Gen. A subtle yet important distinction lies in the functionality of the charging cases. The AirPods 4 comes with a basic USB-C charging case that does not support wireless charging, though it's more compact than ever. The AirPods 4 with ANC, however, come with a more advanced USB-C case that supports wireless charging via Qi chargers or an Apple Watch charger. It even includes a built-in speaker for Apple's Find My feature. The AirPods Pro 2 takes it a step further with the most advanced charging case in the lineup. It features MagSafe support, allowing for magnetic alignment with MagSafe chargers for easier charging. Plus, the Pro case has an integrated lanyard loop, a convenient feature not available on any of the AirPods 4 cases. For the first time, Apple's non-in-ear earbuds include noise-canceling technology in the AirPods 4 with ANC. However, keep in mind that the noise cancellation on the AirPods 4 won't be as powerful as what you get with the AirPods Pro. According to Apple, the AirPods Pro can cancel noise almost twice as effectively as the AirPods 4. While we're yet to put this to the test, based on the specs, the noise-canceling performance of the AirPods 4 is expected to be on par with the first-generation AirPods Pro. Both models do share many features, though. Powered by Apple's H2 chip, the AirPods Pro 2 and AirPods 4 ANC version offer noise control features like transparency mode, adaptive audio, and conversation awareness, which intelligently adjust noise canceling based on your surroundings. It's worth noting that the standard AirPods 4 without ANC do not support these noise control features. When it comes to battery life, the AirPods 4 without ANC delivers up to 5 hours of listening time on a single charge, the same as the AirPods 3. However, once you turn on Active Noise Cancellation, the AirPods 4's battery life drops to just 4 hours per charge. This is a notable difference from the AirPods Pro 2, which can give you up to 6 hours of listening time with ANC enabled. If longer battery life is a priority for you, the AirPods Pro 2 might be a better choice. On the bright side, all models come with charging cases that can recharge the earbuds up to 6 times, providing around 30 hours of total listening time. The AirPods 4 without ANC are the most budget-friendly option, starting at $129. If you want active noise cancellation, the price jumps to $179 for the upgraded version. Meanwhile, the AirPods Pro 2, priced at $249 on Apple's website, often goes on sale at lower prices from other retailers. The $50 upgrade from the base AirPods 4 to the ANC model brings you not only noise cancellation but also an upgraded charging case. On the other hand, for $70 more than the AirPods 4 with ANC, the AirPods Pro 2 offers an in-ear design, longer battery life, volume control via stem gestures, and the convenience of a MagSafe compatible case. Plus, the Pro 2 model includes a USB-C cable, unlike the AirPods 4, where you'll need to provide your own. The new AirPods 4 with noise cancellation is an excellent option for those who prefer wireless earbuds without the discomfort of in-ear tips. They offer a good balance of features, including basic noise cancellation for noisy environments, and at $179, they represent solid value. That being said, the AirPods Pro 2 is still the top-tier option, with superior noise cancellation, better battery life, and added features like a touch sensor for volume control. Plus, upcoming features like hearing tests, hearing aid support, and hearing protection will be exclusive to the AirPods Pro when they launch later this year. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And be sure to subscribe for more tech content coming your way.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.